Hey everyone, Model Man Frank here. Just wanted to give you guys a little heads up on this whole thing. So this is my pit special. Y'all remember in the last video that I put out about the pit special, I repaired it. It was a live video that we did. And before that, I crashed it. So landing gear is back on. The only thing is that the ailerons are all wonky. So I'm still putting all that back together. I've had to replace, I have a lot of servos from other aircraft that didn't quite make it and they ended up in the junk bin. So I've restored, I have repurposed those servos. I know these servos are not the greatest, but at least it's enough to get me back up and flying. So I've got the aircraft sitting up here. It's just a little wonky up here because it's really not a working station. I'm trying to make two working stations, and then I've got my aero coupe back there and so on. So this is what's going on right now. Hopefully be able to get this plane back up in the air and start making videos about it again. So just to give you guys a heads up on that, I was able to get everything back on, but again, I need to make sure that this plane is flying perfectly before I get it back up in the air. So with that said, and oh, if anybody's joining us tomorrow, we're going to be talking about the aero coupe. We're going to give you guys a little bit of brief history on it and give you some family, a family story that really talks a little bit about Cuba and my family background with that aircraft. So again, don't wait. Make sure you guys tune in tomorrow for our live session. Excuse me, for our live event. So enough for now. Model Man Frank out.